What if I told you this entire music video from lyrics to final edit was made with AI? Let me show you how I did it. A story is powerful, but without music, it is incomplete. Here's how Suno AI transformed our script into a living, breathing song. So go over to your browser and type in Suno AI. They have both the free and paid version. If you are joining for the first time, it will ask you to sign up using an email. You go over to your Create tab, down here, or up here rather. When you click on Create, brings you to this interface. You have both simple and custom here. So because you have your own lyrics, you need to choose custom. This simple just allows you to give the platform an instruction to create a song for you. But if you have your own lyrics, you click on custom. So once you click on custom, down here is telling you to add your own lyrics. So what you copied from ChatGPT, just paste it here. So for the style, what I chose was a mixture of two things. One was folk pop and the second was cinematic ballad. So that's what I imputed here. So down here, you give the song a title. So after this, you go ahead and you click on create. I'm not going to do that now because I've done it already. So once you click on create, Suno AI will generate two versions for you. So you can listen to it. If you're not okay with the song, you can as well go ahead and remaster it. As you can see down here, mine is showing She Rises remastered because I had to remaster the song because I was not okay with the output of the first one. So if you want to remaster the song, down here, you click these three dotted signs. So you have remix, create, get stems. If you go to create, you see you have remaster. So if you click on remaster, it will go ahead and rework the sound for you. It's not going to change the lyrics. It will just rework the quality of the sound for you and give you two additional versions. Then under here, you have what you call get stems. So get stems is you want to separate the vocals from the instrumentals. So if you click on get stems, it will go ahead and give you both the vocals and the instrumentals. If you like it, you go ahead and you download it. As you can see, this is mine here, whichever version you want, either MP3 or WAV. I always prefer to download WAV, but for the free version, you can download MP3. That's it for creating your song using Suno AI. And now that we've built the foundation, in the next episode, I will show you how we design the digital artists using ChatGPT. Subscribe so you don't miss it, or watch the full masterclass on my channel right now.